Okay, so this is how you make this. You're going to take this thingy. You're just going to do it like this. You got to wrap it around the edges good so you know they won't come off. And then you're going to take the covers. Just going to put them over, just like that. And fix it up real nice, that's how you like it. There you go, that's good enough. You're going to take your pillows and just make them real nice.